Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change Spotify country. Now it's a very easy process, but for this process you will need to go to a browser. So just simply open a Google Chrome browser or any browser, then open Spotify in there and make sure that you log in inside your Spotify with your login credentials. Now the basic process of changing a country is by going to the profile over here, then account, then click on edit profile, and right over here you'll have the option of a country and region, but normally you will not have that option. So what you have to do is go back and go to any payment options, like for example manage your plans, click on that. Now right over here just simply click on join premium, and don't worry, you don't have to join anything. So now all you have to do is just simply pick a plan. So let's say for example get 3 months. All you need is the payment page like this over here. Now over here you'll have the option of change country. Click on that option, and now right over here you can choose any region that you want. So let's say for example Italy. Now over here you can also see changing your country means your catalog of music will also change, and the price you pay for Spotify premium could also change, as you can see right over here. So if you still want that, just simply click on whatever country you want, like Japan over here. After that you will find that the currency is changed, even the payment processor have also changed. Now if you go back to the Spotify home page and refresh it, you will find that the music selection have also changed, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.